Juices can be a great option to relax during the day since they can be made with fruits and plants that help alleviate stress. Besides drinking this relaxing juice, you can also take a hot shower, do physical activities like pilates or yoga, listen to music or read your favorite book. But did you know that nature has foods with soothing properties? Today, you will learn how to make a relaxing juice with 5 foods that will help calm you down and sleep better. Write down the ingredients. 1 passion fruit, which acts in the central nervous system and is famous for its relaxing and calming properties. Very ripe pineapple slices, which has natural calming properties. 2 tablespoons of honey, which has high tryptophan levels to induce sleep. 2 lemon balm leaves, an herb known for its natural relaxing powers. 4 lettuce leaves. You probably didn't know that, but lettuce has natural calming properties, mainly in its stalk, which can be used by insomniac people. 4 glasses of water. How to make it? Add the water, lettuce, lemon balm, and passion fruit to a blender. Then blend. Once it's smooth, add the honey and pineapple slices. Then blend again. When everything is thoroughly mixed, stop blending. Your relaxing juice is ready. You can serve it with ice, but it's better to not add any sugar. Drink immediately after making. Try this recipe, then come back to tell us how your night went. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.